I'm Sana Kani from Chetna College, and currently I am doing my internship at Innovatum. And the Innovatum is one of the best platform till today I have seen for the internship and especially for the academic purpose. And they taught us very well, and all concepts they have covered. And our topic was of the internship was on the Python and full stack development. So they taught all about the basics of Python and front end, back end, and how to integrate, and what about database, and how to and the uses of AI, ML, and especially about how to use AI in this currently time, and how to use the how to give the correct prompt and all things. So we learned so many things from the Innovatum.
Thank you, Sana, for the feedback. Uh, what is the one thing you learned at Innotum which will help you for your future career?
स्पेशली अगर हिंदी में मैं अपने फ्री से बोलूँ तो एकेडमिक पर्पज़ से तो बहुत कुछ चीज़ें सीखने को मिली, बट स्पेशली जो चीज़ मैं इनोवेटम से बहुत अच्छी तरीके से सीखी हूँ, दो चीज़ें जो शौकत सर की तरफ से मैंने सीखा है. एंड फर्स्ट वन इज़ दी 100 days कमिटेड चैलेंज, एंड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह टुडे इज़ माई 25th डे एंड आई एम फॉलोइंग इट. एंड मैं खुद अपने लाइफ में और अपने डेली रूटीन में बहुत सारे चेंजेस देखी हूँ, एंड इट इज़ वेरी इफेक्टिव. एंड और दूसरी चीज़ जो है वो द बुक रिकमेंडेड बाय द शौकत सर, द कंपाउंड इफेक्ट. आई एम ऑल्सो रीडिंग दैट बुक ऑल्सो, एंड दैट बुक ऑल्सो मेड so many changes in my life, my thinking, and inshallah my future also. Thank you so much Shaukat sir, and thank you so much Abdul Rahim sir and all team, and thank you so much Innovatum.
Yeah. Thank you, Sana. Thanks a lot for the feedback.
हेलो एवरीवन, गुड आफ्टरनून टू यू ऑल. माय नेम इज़ कृषा जैन. तो मैंने इनोवेटम में अपनी इंटर्नशिप की जर्नी स्टार्ट करने का जो डिसीज़न लिया था, इट वाज रियली गुड बिकॉज इन्होंने जस्ट पढ़ाई की रियलिटी बच्चों को नहीं सिखाया है. लाइफ के रिलेट प्रॉब्लम्स, लाइक बेसिक कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो बच्चों को लेके, उनमें भी इन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प किया है, बहुत मोटिवेट किया है. इन्होंने एक पढ़ाई के रिलेट एनवायरनमेंट ही डेवलप नहीं किया है, बट डेफिनेटली अ बॉन्ड जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्योर है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा समझने वाली चीज़ है कि इन्होंने बहुत कुछ हमें सिखाया है. एंड दैट्स रियली मैटर टू मी अ लॉट हियर. एंड बहुत कुछ सीखा है हम सब लोगों ने पढ़ाई के साथ साथ. कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड किया है, हमारा शेड्यूल चेंज किया है हर बच्चों का. सो दैट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग. थैंक यू.
Yeah. Thank you, Trisha, for the feedback. And what movement which you take with you after this internship?
The bond you shared with me.
And what do you say about our trainers?
ट्रेनर्स आर एक्चुअली सो फ्री. कुछ भी डाउट हो, कभी भी कुछ भी रीज़न रहा हो, तो दे आर नेवर बैक्ड आउट. हर मोमेंट पे उन्होंने सपोर्ट किया है, हर मोमेंट पे हेल्प किया है. छोटी से छोटी हर चीज़ को पूरी डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन किया उन्होंने. एंड दैट्स द वेरी गुड थिंग अबाउट दैट.
Thank you, Trisha. Thanks for the feedback. Yeah.
So, good afternoon. I'm Alfia K from Chetna College, and I have been attending the internship at Innovatum since 4 weeks. And from my side, it was a wonderful experience. At first, I had a very little knowledge. One can say that I had only bookish knowledge of Python, etc. I knew only facts. But when I came here, I also experienced the backend process, that how it works. And it was overall a very good experience for me to understand the procedure and to learn new things every day, which I didn't even have a tiny bit of knowledge about it.
Thank you, Alfia, for the feedbacks. So, what is your experience about the trainers here and their generosity and their kindness toward the students?
The trainers are very good. Abdul Rahim sir has taught us since the start, and I feel like his explanation is very clear and on point, and it reaches to student in a very good manner.
Okay. Thank you for that. And what is the one best thing you felt about Innovatum?
The one best thing I would take from Innovatum is consistency. Though we had got many errors during the programming or during the development of an app, but we didn't let it slide. Like, we never gave up. We tried continuously and we maintained the consistency. We practiced it until and unless we got the solution. So this is the one best thing I would take.
Okay. Thanks a lot. And is there any recommendation for your juniors?
Yes, if you are with the thought that you need some motivation, you need dedication, I think this is the best place for that. And about your future, you can expect very large amount of goals that can be fulfilled here.
Thank you, Alfia. Thanks a lot. Start.
I am Jyoti Kalagi. I am Jyoti Kalagi. I am from Vashishta Science College, Bagalkot. I choose this Innovatum platform to complete my internship because this is the best. Thank you.
So why from Bagalkot to Bijapur at Innovatum?
Because this is the best platform we choice in Google.
How it is best?
Sirs are very friendly with us. They will tell us very easily and they will complete our doubts in any time.
Thank you.
My name is Nikita Pawar. During the internship, I felt very good, and I learned practical knowledge in Innovatum, and the overall internship is very good for me. I have learned real-time projects, how we would apply real-time projects, and thank you for such a good internship. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Nikita, for the feedback. And what's the one thing you felt good about Innovatum during internship?
I felt like the mentors are very free and they don't. I had not felt hesitation for asking anything to them. That is the good thing.
Okay. And what one best thing you will take from here to your home, to your career, to your life?
Confidence.
Okay. Any recommendation for your other students, juniors?
Yes, sir. They can join here for their good future.
Thank you, Nikita.
Thank you.
Start.
Good morning. I am Kaveri Rathod from Chetna College. We are joined in a company called Innovatum to intern. We learned many things like how the project will be done in real world. In colleges, we learned about coding and so many things, but we didn't know about how it works in real world. In Innovatum, we learned backend how backend things works, how front end things work, and how the website are created, and so many things are learned in Innovatum. So yeah.
So, what are the few things you want to highlight which you felt good during internship at Innovatum?
Innovatum, the faculty, the Innovatum team members are very friendly, and we can ask anytime any questions to them. They are very friendly. That's it. Thanks to everyone who supported us to be intern and confident. Thank
So,
you.
what is confidence before coming here and after coming here with respect to career, job?
Sorry, sir.
What is your confidence level before coming to Innovatum and after completing the internship with respect to job opportunities and getting the job?
I personally I become more confident and in communications, and recently we conducted a workshop.
Placement Infinity.
Placement Infinity. Those all software engineers are came and they motivated so much. We didn't know about the how the company and how they work in their space. So we learned about that.
Thank you very much. Thanks for the feedback. Yeah.